Welcome to my creative friends. Hope you are doing well. Today we are turning most of scrap material, waste material, transform into magical and amazing craft. Don't throw away those leftover fabric piece because we are going to transform them into stunning Christmas tree that bring joy, mindfulness and beauty to your home. This project is perfect for eco-friendly crafting, family fun and adding your own touch and love creativity to the holiday season. Before we begin, let's talk about what we actually need. Collect your scrap fabric, cotton fleece, your denim or old t-shirt, some wooden stick, gather scissors, gun needles and thread, some buttons, ribbons and sequins, and of course a little imagination and Christmas spirit. The beauty of this project, every small piece of the fabric, ornaments tell a story. The old red dress, it's become stars. The green scarf is turned to teeny Christmas tree. Nothing goes waste. Everything transforms. Let's start with our first design, a mini Christmas tree made entirely from scarf fabric, cut fabric, strip of different length from longer to shorter like tree branches. Layer them a small stick or cinnamon stick to form a triangle shape. Glue stitch them one over another. Add a small golden ribbon or a button star at the tip. You can even hang this on your wall, tree or gift box. It smells great if you're using natural fabric or cinnamon, and it's bring cozy mindfulness energy to your space. Next, let's make fabric ornaments on your Christmas tree. Cut circle hearts and star shape out of your leftover fabric. Place two pieces together till with a little cotton or old stuffing and stitch around the edges. Now add detail, maybe teeny beads, lace or even handwriting fabric tag with word joy, love, peace. The ornaments are lightful, beautiful and carry a sense of calmness when you create them. Perfect for mindfulness crafting. One more thing you actually need your rope, thread, decoration, ribbon, pine cones, balls and the button. So you can use any color theme, red and green for classic Christmas look or beige and white for the cozy rustic style. Everything we use today we will budget friendly and eco friendly because handmade love is the best kind of decoration. Let's add beauty to the center of our wall hanging. Take a small scrap fabric triangle and arrange them like a mini Christmas tree or star. You can add pine cones and color as you watch as you go traditional color. So add golden, white and red. Use ribbon or lace to make small bows and glue them around. Add some glitter if you like sparkles or keep it rustic and calm for minimalist look. Every detail you add tells your story, your creativity, your joy, your time spent with love. Now we talk about some hanging materials and wall hanging ornaments, especially for your upcoming Christmas event. Now it dynamic. Sorry. Cut these or five pieces of jute rope of equal length. Attach them to the bottom of your main place. At the end of each rope, hang fabric star, bells, or small ornaments. You can also use dried oranges, wooden beads, or buttons. Simple things that bring charm when you hang it on the wall. These pieces will move gently with the air, creating a beautiful piece sound and motion. You can hang your walls, your doors, your windows. Christmas crafting is not only about decoration, it's about mindfulness moment. While you craft, take a slow breath, enjoy the texture of the fabric, texture of the jute, the small the smell of pine, and the sound of your scissor cutting. It's beautiful and healing experience. You can invite your kids or family members to join. Let everyone create one hanging piece and combine them together on one big wall. You can upgrade your stairs, your sitting area, your TV room, decorate everything, every corner at your home, and feel the love and blessing of Christmas. If it become not just decoration but a family art memory full of joy, togetherness. Once your wall hanging is ready, check every detail, trim extra thread, fix loose ends, and give its final sparkle. Now hang it on your wall near your Christmas tree. It will catch everyone's eyes. A warm handmade welcome to your guests, your family, your friends this festive season. And there you have it, your beautiful Christmas wall hanging craft made with recycled material, creativity, and heart. You did not just make decoration, you create joy, mindfulness, and Christmas spirit. We hope you like the video and our art, our crafting. So please must share with your friends and your family. I already stated many of times I really appreciate your support, which is actually I need. I'm very thankful to you. So keep watching my channel, keep supporting me. Please must visit my channel. There is lots of amazing and beautiful art and craft for your holiday season, your Christmas, your any kind of event. You can decorate your home, your rooms, your balcony, and outside. So my videos will help you how to make your home cozy and beautiful, how to create a beautiful craft with recycling material. Don't throw anything away like glass bottles, plastic bottles, leftover fabric. Everything transform into a beauty of decoration. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Love you all. Stay blessed and enjoy your holiday season. Really appreciate your support. Love you all. God bless you.